Meet Nosey Ned and Nosey Nadine. They're not just any neighbours. They are the nosiest neighbours in the world. Nothing gets past them. Not a parcel, not a peeking curtain, not even a suspicious-looking Amazon delivery. And do you know their secret weapon? Fronted adverbials. Because fronted adverbials add the juicy extra details. Details like how, where, or when something happened. Example 1. Smelly Sandra. Without a fronted adverbial, Smelly Sandra got a new shower. But Ned and Nadine don't settle for boring. They spy the full gossip. Yesterday afternoon, Smelly Sandra got a new shower. Much juicier, because she was supposed to be at work. Ned's already telling the postman. Yesterday afternoon is a fronted adverbial that tells us when something happened. Example 2. Gardener Greg. Gardener Greg cut the grass. Yawn. Too ordinary for Ned and Nadine. With a fronted adverbial, with great care, Gardener Greg cut the grass. Now that's interesting, especially since he mowed the neighbour's prize-winning roses last week. Nadine still hasn't forgiven him. Can you spot the fronted adverbial in that sentence? It is with great care, and that tells the reader how something happened. Example 3. Messy Molly. Without a fronted adverbial, Molly painted a picture. We all know by now that Ned and Nadine need more info. With a fronted adverbial, all over the kitchen table, Molly painted a picture. Now that's far more entertaining, as her mum's favourite tablecloth is now covered in blue splashes. All over the kitchen table is a fronted adverbial, and that tells the reader where the action happened. So, next time you're writing, be a little nosy, like Ned and Nadine, and add those extra details with a fronted adverbial. After all, writing's always better when you know the who, what, where, when, and how.